Welcome to our exciting guide on IPTV subscriptions and how to get started. What is IPTV? Simply put, it's Internet Protocol television, allowing streaming through the internet. Visiting 2tv.store is your first step. They offer a variety of plans, including a free trial. Once you're on the site, take a moment to browse through the available subscription plans. Choose the plan that best fits your needs based on channels and content preferences. Sign up for an account. And don't forget to select the free trial option during registration. After signing up, download the necessary application compatible with your device to start streaming. Install the application, open it, and log in with the credentials you created in Step 5. Explore the user-friendly interface that makes navigating through channels a breeze. Don't forget to take advantage of features like video on demand and recording options. In case of any issues, check the FAQ section on 2tv.store for troubleshooting tips. Now that you're equipped with knowledge, enjoy your IPTV experience and happy streaming.